I can't necessarily speak for all the installers in Kansas City, but for KC Pier, all of our installers have gone through somewhat of a rigorous online application testing process and a field process which we've met approvals. It also starts with our equipment. We use mini excavators and drive heads to actually install the helical piers. Knowing how to work our equipment, knowing the ins and out of our drive head that's actually going to be installing the helical piers is an important field process that we teach and train our installers on manually here on site. But then also through our manufacturer, all of our installers have gone through multiple online tests and approvals and certification, and then they are recertified on a yearly basis. And we've also have passed all field testing where the installer or the manufacturer comes on site and goes through multiple day trainings to make sure that we and all our installers here at KC Pier understand the process, understand the metrics, keep all safety regulation and requirements in mind so we can apply the helical piers for our customer base as needed based on the proper supports and requirements.